What's up? So basically, I'm a mess. As you guys know, I just recently moved into this new apartment. Go check out my moving out series, by the way. My boyfriend's family came to visit us, so we pretty much put everything that was messy out in the living room and our bedroom into my office. So my office is a wreck. Everything is pretty much unpacked. We just have a couple more things that we need to put away in the living room, like decorations and stuff, but I'm gonna be doing an apartment haul for that. We're just gonna take this moment to mentally prepare ourselves for this room because it's really bad. She's so bad, it's like triggering bad. Like I can't do anything else before I clean this room or else I'm gonna feel cluttered bad. But first, we're gonna get coffee. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, so I told you it was really bad. So I have a bunch of trash bags that I started throwing stuff in, but I didn't finish. Here we have some clothes that I got from Goodwill. My wax kit. All of these things were in boxes, but I got pissed off at the boxes because they're so big and the flaps kept hitting my legs every time I would move. So yeah, I just dumped it all on the floor. We have a giant mirror and another full body mirror. Hey, my makeup that you guys saw me pack in my moving out at 18 video. Some Jack in the Box breakfast that I ate yesterday. Also my Starbucks coffee that I drank yesterday. This is my boyfriend's desk. We also have a bunch of lights. This is from my vanity. Now we have my desk and my makeup storage. There's nothing in any of these drawers, but clearly I need to wipe them down. Makeup brushes, I need to clean all of them because I mixed up the ones that were dirty and the ones that were clean. This drawer, I had this filing cabinet and I was like, oh my god, I'm an adult. But halfway through the year, I literally gave up and I just started tossing all of my papers down in there and over there. I bought this thing instead because I think the reason why I didn't use this, it's so hard for me to like pull out. I'm just lazy like that. So I think this is way cuter and it's easier for me to just flip through. I can use this for all of my setting sprays, primers. This drawer. The top I have tech stuff. In the middle I have a bunch of school stuff and like papers and notebooks. And then at the bottom I just have scrunchies, hair accessories, and more earrings and stuff. I also have a bunch of earrings and stuff on here. I really just need to put everything away and organize it better. What's up? So it's been 5 days later. That's why I'm wearing a different outfit. I did the overview of the room and I was like, yeah, not gonna do that right now. Also, we have guests coming tomorrow, so I have to get this done. So let's get started. First, we're gonna start off with trash. Trash bag. Oh my god, there's thumbtacks on the floor. What the heck? I am so dumb. Why? Okay, trash is done. Now I have all of these annoying big boxes that get in my way. All of them are empty. We have about 4 of them. Also, ew, I look sweaty. Sorry about that. I turned off my fan and my aircon so that I could have good audio in this video and you guys won't complain in the comments being like, Marina, why does your audio suck? Okay, we're done. I'm gonna take these out. Are you kidding? There's glass in my carpet. Oh my god. going on? First thumbtacks and now my mirror break. The universe doesn't want me to clean today. Like, I think this is a sign. Is this a sign? Hello. I lit a candle for vibes. So this is my desk where I edit videos and bullet journal. Look at my pens. These are in here because this month is blue and last month was purple. Also my post-it notes. Anyways, so I have this jewelry rack and this is crowded. I did like this when I only wore like 3 things of jewelry, but I've been branching out. We have necklaces for different moods now. When I wanted to be an e-girl, when I wanted to be a visco girl, and my Instagram feed for the past month. When I was an IG baddie. So yeah, we have a wide variety of jewelry here. I also have more earrings in my wood drawers that I showed earlier. So I bought this apartment haul video coming soon, but I got this so I can hang it on my wall. I don't want this on top of my drawers because it just looks messy, and I'm gonna put this in my closet so it doesn't show. It has a little rack like this, and this is where you put all of the necklaces, and then all along here you can put earrings and then rings right here. And I'm putting it up with command strip. I'm not losing my security deposit this time. Welcome to my closet. Here's my closet door, and I'm just gonna put it right here. The main part, the floor. Pretty much everything has somewhere to go, but I just dumped it all on my floor. I have no idea how this happened. This is the shit in Hawaii. If you know, you know. It came out from the back. Brand new. Hi, I just woke up from a nap. It's literally 12 o'clock, which isn't that late to be honest, but my body was getting ready for sleep, and then I woke myself up because I was like, no, you need to finish this video. Also tomorrow I know I'm gonna want to sleep in and edit this video all day and do nothing, so I might as well pull an all-nighter. Oh my god, I look so gross. I feel like I'm not fully awake. I need to get this done and over with, so I'm gonna do my full makeup collection right now. Also, I took off my makeup and put on this hoodie. Okay, I have all of these containers that I just bought. We have a variety. We have cloudy, and we have clear. We also have long but skinny, cloudy and skinny, cloudy and rectangle and big, cloudy and rectangle deep. Oh, just kidding. We have 2 cloudy rectangles. Let's get through this. It's literally 5:44 in the morning right now. Wow. Anyways, I'm gonna go knock out and I'll come back in the morning for finishing touches and also the final review. Hello, excuse the way I look, but I just wanted to say sorry. I have a lot of decor pieces that are coming in. I still have to rearrange some furniture, also get rid of furniture. So this isn't the complete final look of this room, but I will be doing an apartment tour, so don't worry, you'll be able to see the actual final look.